Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question provided by my channel. Today I am discuss most important common words which are essential for writing skill as well as the speaking module. Let's start. Acquire, obtain, gain, attain, procure. Adapt, adjust, modify, alter, conform, involve. Adequate, sufficient, ample, suitable, satisfactory. Fourth one is advocate, supporter, champion, proponent, defender, backer. Fifth one affluent, wealthy, prosperous, rich, well off, affluential. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.